20 years ago, you were hard-pressed to find any young people living here.
Well, that must have been interesting.
It was a very different thing. So people came here, the typical buyer was a retired business person, family, coming down but to buy a villa, play golf, etc., etc. And what happened, and it was very cyclical in the sense also that we depended on specific markets, mainly UK actually. And whenever the UK, it was what's this old saying? When the UK, well, it was another one, but when it sneezes, we catch flu, right? So,
well, they say the same about China these days. So
yes, I was China. Yes, of course, yeah. So it was a similar kind of situation.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And we had boom and bust. There was a big boom in the 80s, bust early 90s. Boom again late 90s, which went all the way with the 2007. Until 2007, it all came to a big crash worldwide. The interesting thing is that after that, most countries recovered fairly quickly. Spain did not. Okay, Spain was in a particular state, but this is not Spain. This is a market of its own.